Deaf people are like, can't believe it. How are we going to do this? I've got a bum in front of me, I don't know what to do.
Get the next train, okay?
Is now ready to depart. This train is ready to depart. Stand clear, mind the doors, stand clear.
He's wondering what
Town side. Change for national rail services from Waterloo East.
And I go, sorry, I was looking.
Cupcake.
This train terminates at
Are you going to pretend you can read it? Is it like that?
Yeah.
Okay, alright.
this station is Canada Water. Change here for London Overground.
Between South Tottenham and Barking until 15:30 due to planned engineering work. Seafair Rail no service between Liverpool Street and Romford due to planned engineering work. The Waterloo and City.
Do it. I know.
Oh my god, here.
It was no
How'd you find us?
I was watching.
What? Yeah, perfect.
If you're asked, as a stiff upper lip society, we have the rule that if you are asked why you are doing this, feign surprise. My lord, I've forgotten my trousers. If you want to read, if you want to listen to music, do exactly as you would, just in your pants.
Victoria and High Street, Kensington.
Between the train and the platform.
This is the safest path.
Mind the gap between the train and the platform. Mind the gap between the train and the platform.
This is South Kensington. The next station is... The next station is High Street, Kensington.
Mind the gap between the train and the platform.
The next station is Bayswater.
It's an annual event, started in New York about 15 years ago. It's just for fun. They want to create a stir. So the original society was called Improv Everywhere, and their motto is, we create a stir. And so they create events like no trousers on the tube, or no pants on the subway, I think they call it. And it's just, it created a lovely feeling, and people smile, and you get wonderful reactions from people. It's been great today. We've got a great group. About 35, 40 people, and they seem to be having a good time. No one's died yet. We haven't lost anyone. And people's reactions have been great. So that's it. That's a lot of fun. I just slightly patterned. That's it. I mean, but the more nondescript, the better, to be honest.